Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another unboxing. This time it's not going to be a VAT19 unboxing, but it's actually going to be a Loot Crate unboxing. If any of you guys don't know what Loot Crate is, link in the description to the website. It's like a monthly subscription for $20 every month. You can get a box full of cool little nerdy stuff, and it goes along with a theme, and it's like a mystery box. So this month, because of Halloween, the theme is fear. So yeah, so not entirely sure what's gonna be in here because yeah, I just don't know what's gonna be in here. Yeah. Okay. Cut this open. Okay, so I'm gonna open this actually so you guys can't see it. So I can't see it, but you guys can. So that's it. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Okay, that is weird. Okay, so this is locked. This is taped. Uh. Okay, this is weird. It's a bunch of cats. I'm confused. It's okay. It's a bunch of cats. Okay. It's literally just there's a brain at the top and it's a bunch of cats. Okay. That makes no sense, but Survival 714 Official Guide to Staying Alive, How to Survive a Sharknado and Other Unnatural Disasters. Fight back when monsters and Mother Nature attack. This is cool. I guess it's based on the movie Sharknado. I don't know. It's from sci-fi. I haven't seen it, but I kind of want to see it. Okay, this is a long book. This is an actual book, so pretty surprised to have that in there. Okay, so we have some Loot Crate tattoos. We have the wolf. Oh, there are a bunch of different bites. So we have scratch, zombie mouth, vampire bite, zombie bite, or werewolf bite. So you could put them on anywhere on your body and make it look like a a bite. So what is this? I think this is like a postcard or something. It's kind of funny. It's from The Walking Dead. I haven't seen The Walking Dead, but I recognize this guy from the commercials on AMC. Okay, this is Curse Voice, Fast and Free Voices. Okay. This is Battleground of the God Smite. Some kind of game from Curse. These are some, whoa, some 3D glasses to go along with this, like, 3D poster. Oh, it's a Loot Crate magazine, but it's in 3D. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Whoa. Okay, that is freaky. Okay, that is... Ugh. That's just scary. Okay, the glasses fell off. So yeah, this is just... It's in 3D. It's hecka cool. Oh, this is what people got in the Mega Crate. Wow, what? Somebody got an actual PC from the Mega Crate. They got they got some squid grips to go with the controller for an Xbox One. They got some A50 wireless headphones for $300. They got $2,500 computer, and I think an Origin account or something, like an Origin game, because it says, I don't really know, but you got some cool glasses, specifically tuned lenses, cutout glare, and iodide drain, so you could cut down enemies all day long and still keep your peepers. You got a zip up hoodie for $80. The glasses were $80, by the way, as well. That's what people got in the Mega Crate. So that's like an actual PC. And then, oh, they even had a mini Mega Crate. 10 winners got the mini Mega Crate. That's cool. They got nice headphones. They got a shirt. They got a beanie. Okay, so this shirt just... Oh, it's shaped like a skull, but there's a bunch of kittens. Oh. Okay. So... Oh, so this is just an actual art print. It's not like a... Yeah, so slashes and by... Yeah, so this is what the front looks like. It's in 3D. That's why they give you the 3D glasses. So, yeah, I think there's more in this still. Okay, so here's the button. 2014. It's a bunch of zombies. And also, I've seen these. These are the toxic waste hard candies. I've tried these. These are like really sour. They don't even taste good in the beginning. Warheads taste good, but these are just like, they don't taste good in the beginning. They just taste bad. Oh, and a Walking Dead comic book. That's awesome. It's an exclusive Loot Crate Walking Dead comic book. Wait. Can I check this out? Okay, let me see if I can. Whoa. So it's an exclusive Loot Crate Walking Dead comic. And then this is what it looks like. This is what the box looks like. Hashtag Loot Crate. So yeah. So yeah, I didn't open that box. I never opened that box. Let me open it. Chair stuck. It's taped. Whoa! Is this actually sharp? This is actually kind of sharp. So this is like this. I think this is kind of like from Dead Rising 3. Oh, this is cool. So I think this is just like a little replica. That's cool. It's like half sledgehammer, half chainsaw. That's what I would use if I was stuck in a zombie apocalypse. Yeah, I'm excited to read this book, How to Survive a Sharknado. Oh, this book is actually from Sci-Fi. Yeah, okay. That's why they mentioned Sharknadoes. Yeah, I'm excited to read this. That's pretty funny. Yeah. So this shirt is just weird, but it's pretty cool. I mean, it's a skull, but it's made out of cats and a brain. So it's pretty much saying your head is full of kittens and then a brain. See the brains at the top. Brains at the top, and the cats, and then it's the skull. So, yeah. That is pretty much it, but that was a pretty strange loot crate. Last one I did was in August, which was Hero. And that was pretty cool. I got some pretty nice stuff. This was nice too, but just also weird. I'm just really confused. It was a really weird one, so. Yep. Yeah, so let me put this back inside. Oh, yep, Dead Rising 3, Loot Crate exclusive, and Capcom. So, okay. I'm still kind of confused if this is like a replica or if it's actually something. So, that's about it, yep. So, I'll put Loot Crate in the description. And you can also get yours. October crates are closed, but you can order your November crates now. They are available to be ordered. The main warehouse is in Los Angeles, so it takes a day or two to get there if you live in California like I do. But, so, yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, it's definitely cool, and I like it. It's really nice because they are able to find some pretty cool stuff. So, yep, that about does it. Please, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I have not started my own gaming videos on this channel, but I have done gaming videos with my friend Matt Shell. His channel link will be in the description. So, yep, that's about it. Alright, I will really try to do part 2 of the Spice Challenge today as well. So, look forward to that too. Alright, see you guys later. Bye!